Hi, in this lesson, you'll learn about programming and artificial intelligence. When thinking about how to make machines intelligent, we first have to ask ourselves, what makes humans intelligent? One of the things that makes humans intelligent is our ability to make decisions. Humans make decisions in a variety of ways. We make decisions based on how we're feeling, what we've heard friends say, what we've heard in the news, what we've seen on social media, and by thinking logically. Logic is the science of reasoning. It studies the formal thought processes of making decisions and developing arguments. Thinking logically means taking a set of statements that are either true or false, and then either drawing conclusions or making a decision. We use logic to make decisions all of the time. Let's look at the decisions that we make when driving. Do I need to turn on my headlights? Can I switch lanes? Are there pedestrians around? Do I need to brake? How fast should I drive? And do I stop at the stop sign? These are just a handful of the decisions that you make while you're driving. Let's zoom in on one decision. Do I need to turn on my headlights? The answer to this question can either be yes or no. Now we can consider a set of true or false statements that help us make this decision. For example, is it raining outside? Is it nighttime or is it dark? And is it foggy? If any of these are true, then we can say yes, I should turn on my headlights. On the flip side, if all of these conditions are false, or if none of them are true, then you can say no, you don't need to turn your headlights on. The goal of artificial intelligence is to translate this human decision-making process into a process that machines can also follow. This is where programming comes in. Our goal is to create programs that give machines a set of rules to follow in order to make the right decision. Let's take a look at autonomous vehicles. We can create a program that has the car ask, is there someone crossing the street? If the answer is yes, we program the car to stop and let the person cross. We can also see this in chatbots, another common use of artificial intelligence. We can program rules so that the chatbot can make decisions. For example, if the user types in or says password reset, we can program the chatbot to send them an email or a link to reset their password. Now that you know all about programming, logic, and artificial intelligence, it's your turn to go and explore these concepts.